put 3 avocado bones under the bed and look what happens. Energy exists, although many people believe it does not. And energy rules our lives. And you'd better have positive energy in your life, but you're lost. Negative energy can do you a lot of harm, more than you can imagine. Bad luck and no prosperity is what will bring you negative energy. The avocado bone is excellent for neutralizing bad energy, improving the economy and restoring harmony. From an energetic point of view, the avocado bone hides multiple beneficial properties. There are different ways of harnessing their neutralizing power. Today I will talk about different ways to eliminate negative energy using avocado bone. 1. To clean the bad vibrations that are absorbed each day, put on a plate 3 bones of avocado. Around the bones of avocado, put a circle of salt inside the same dish and put under the bed before going to sleep. If you cannot put it under the bed, lay it aside on the wall or on the floor. The next day do not touch the bones of avocado, put them in a plastic bag and throw them away from home. Repeat at least 3 days in a row and see how you feel better. 2. To change the energy of our home, it is recommended to put water and bones of avocado, and to spray the whole house with this mixture, especially the corners of the house that is where the bad energy is concentrated. 3. To protect ourselves from envy, put avocado bones in our wallet or in a desk drawer and this will keep us in balance. 4. The easiest is to place 2 bones of avocado in different sectors of the house. They should be replaced when black. 5. To attract abundance and prosperity, we will put 7 bones of avocado in a dish, above the refrigerator, on a bed of rice. 6. Place on the bedside table a glass plate with 2 avocado bones to attract the love. They should be replaced when black.